皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland, Japanese tutor, New Zealand. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to form yes-no questions in Japanese.If you haven't learned any verbs yet, please check out my previous lesson videos. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna learn the making yes/no questions in Japanese. So you have learned some verbs massive form, so we will learn in polite way. I will introduce the casual way in another lesson videos. But polite way is simple. You have ます then you add か。ここにますがありますね。で、ますにかをつけると質問になります。例えば、します、しますか。来ます、来ますか。します means to do. 来ます means to come. This is a 漢字 for 来ます、来ますか。I will show you normally. します is to do. To do what is depending on the, what word you put before します。しますか来ます、来ますか。So it's very easy to form questions in Japanese. All you need to add か。But this cannot apply for dictionary form. So we are doing is massive form, polite form. You're not sure? Please check other lesson videos of verbs, overview of the verbs. Okay. And let's check other verbs. 買います。買いますか？読みます。読みますか？ So let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. 買いますか？読みますか？ So that means question. So 買います means to buy. It's a verb to buy. But if you add か、買いますか means are you going to buy it? で、読みますか is 読む、読みます means to read a book or read magazines. So 読みますか means are you gonna read? Okay, so let's have a look at some example sentences. 明日、この本を読みますか Repeat after me. 明日、この本を読みますか So, will you read this book tomorrow? So, 明日 then put the comma, tomorrow, then 読みますか question. You can put the question mark at the end, but already implies a meaning question. Then the answer to the question will be, if it's yes, you can say, はい、読みます。I put the bracket here. You can, if it's a full sentence, はい、この本を読みます。はい、この本を読みます。But you can drop the この本を part. Simply 読みます。Like this. So let's practice. Repeat after me. はい、読みます。Okay. Another example. This is a カタカナ game. ゲームをしますか by the way, しますか verb. A lot of sports, name of the sports, we use it now and しますか For example, テニスをしますか is play tennis. Are you going to play tennis? Like the same way, ゲームをしますか So you put a noun here をしますか That implies to do something. ゲームをしますか So that means, are you going to play a game? So game is from English, game. In Japanese pronunciation, it's almost same. ゲーム like a game. Repeat after me. ゲームをしますかはい。Then, if the answer is no, いいえ、ゲームをしません。Repeat after me. いいえ、ゲームをしません。No, I'm not going to play the game. しません is a negative. No, I don't. Repeat after me. いいえ、ゲームをしません。Okay, let's review. So she said, ゲームをしますか？いいえ、しません。この本を読みますか？はい、読みます。So like this, you can ask a question. Let's look at another example. 飲みますか？ Oh, this is a situation in a bar or izakaya. Izakaya is a Japanese style bar. So they're drinking a sake. So 飲みますか？ You can put the sake, but it's obvious. So he just said 飲みますか？ Then はい、いただきます。So did he responded はい、飲みます。Instead of はい、飲みます。はい、いただきます。いただきます is a phrase that I'm receiving. So in this situation, in this context, it's more suitable to use いただきます rather than 飲みます。いただきます means thank you and showing respect いただきます。This is also a phrase before you eat something, food or drink, you will use it. And どうぞ. どうぞ means here. So that's the examples. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 飲みますか？はい、いただきます。どうぞ。This time we will practice speaking without relying on text. If you find yourself stuck, feel free to go back and review the previous sentences where we focused on reading or grammar points or vocabularies. This exercise will greatly improve your listening and speaking skills. Let's start by repeating after me. 明日、この本を読みますか？はい、読みます。ゲームをしますか？いいえ、しません。飲みますか？はい、いただきます。どうぞ。レッスンはここまでです。お疲れ様です。That's for it for today's lesson. Well done with your practice. 見てくれてありがとう。Thank you for watching this video. もしもっと学びたかったら、オンラインコースをチェックしてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have all lessons. You can access all lesson videos and can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description in more detail. I will see you in the next video. ではまたあさってね。See you in the day after tomorrow. あさって。バイ。さよなら。